Students, I will discuss about spermatogenesis. It is the topic belongs from the gametogenesis. What about the gametogenesis, students? Production of the gametes from the ovaries and the testes of reproductive system is called gametogenesis. Okay, production of the male gamete from the testes of male reproductive system is called spermatogenesis, and production of the ovum or oocyte from the ovaries of female reproductive system is called oogenesis. Okay, student, now about the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, production of the sperms. It is the process is with production of sperms, and the cells which produces sperm cells goes to meiotic division. Meiotic division, all the body cells except the cells that produces gametes are going to mitotic division. All the body cells goes to mitotic division. Okay, except to the stem cells that present in the region of the testis, which produces sperm cells or spermatozoa. Student, formation of the spermatozoa. Spermatozoa, that means group of the sperm cells. And sperm cells originate from spermatogonial stem cells which are present in the wall of the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules present at the region of the testis. If you observe the wall of the seminiferous tubules, that consist spermatogonial stem cells, spermatogonial mother cells, which are going to meiotic division and produces spermatozoa. Student, spermatogonial stem cells, these are diploid cells. Diploid means having two sets of the chromosomes. Okay, and each one of the spermatogonial stem cells that consist of 46 chromosomes. Student, these are the stem cells develops into primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes also diploid in nature and consist of 46 chromosomes in each cell. These are the primary spermatocytes going to meiosis 1 and produces two equal sized haploid cells which are called secondary spermatocytes. Student, which cells in the process of the formation of spermatozoa, which are the cells going to meiosis 1? That are primary spermatocytes. Student, secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes, students. Secondary spermatocytes. Also, these are haploid cells. Two equal sized haploid cells produces from primary spermatocytes after the meiosis 1. Secondary spermatocytes having each one of the cell consists 23 chromosomes. These are secondary spermatocytes goes to meiosis 2. Student, and produces 4 equal sized haploid cells. Which cells going to meiosis 2? That are secondary spermatocytes. Which cells going to meiosis 1? That are primary spermatocytes. This is also important, student. And finally, 4 equal sized haploid cells are produces from the secondary spermatocytes by meiosis 2. These are called spermatids. Student, these are called spermatids. Spermatids again differentiated into, transform into spermatozoa. Student, formation of the spermatozoa from the spermatids is called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. Student, now finally, what about spermiation? Spermiation, students. Spermatozoa are produces. Okay, student, these are the spermatozoa or the sperm cells. After the spermiogenesis, with the help of the head-like structure, each sperm cell is closely attached to the Sertoli cells. Head of the sperm cell is embedded with the Sertoli cells, and finally these are releases from the seminiferous tubules. Student, that is the process called spermiation. Spermiation. Student, what is the differentiation between the spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis and spermiation? That is also important. Production of the sperm cell from the spermatogonial stem cells is called spermatogenesis. Spermiogenesis, formation of the spermatozoa from the spermatids is called spermiogenesis. Sperm cells are releases from the seminiferous tubules, that is called spermiation. Spermatozoa. Student, one of the hormone that plays a main role in the process of this spermatogenesis, which one is the hormone? That is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone is the hypothalamic hormone. It is the hormone produces from hypothalamus. You know hypothalamus? Hypothalamus, it is the part of the forebrain. It is the part of the diencephalon. Okay, hypothalamus produces gonadotropin releasing hormone, hence it is hypothalamic hormone. Hypothalamic hormone, when it is releases and it initiates the process of the spermatogenesis at puberty, at the time of the puberty. Student, gonadotropin releasing hormone acts on adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis, that means anterior part of the pituitary gland. Okay, acts on adenohypophysis and stimulates secretion of two types of the gonadotropins. At the same time, it is stimulates the secretions of the two types of the hormones from the anterior pituitary, which are called gonadotropins. Which are the gonadotropins? One is LH, also called luteinizing hormone. Second one is follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. What about the role of the luteinizing hormone? This is the hormone gonadotropin acts on the Leydig cells. Leydig cells present in the testes. Leydig cells stimulate secretion of the androgens. Student, it is the LH acts on the Leydig cells and stimulates the production of the androgen. Chiefest androgen is testosterone. It stimulates the process of the spermatogenesis and also causes for the appearance of the secondary sexual characters. Okay, androgens involved in spermatogenesis. Androgens stimulates spermatogenesis. Next, follicle stimulating hormone. This is the hormone acts on the Sertoli cells, student, and stimulates secretion of the factors that are helps in spermiogenesis, student. Okay, luteinizing hormone stimulates spermatogenesis, causes for stimulation of the spermatogenesis by the production of the androgens. Follicle stimulating hormone stimulates Sertoli cells. Okay, student, acts on the Sertoli cells and stimulates the secretion of the some amount of the factors which are helps in spermiogenesis, student, spermiogenesis. Developing of the spermatozoa from the spermatids is called spermiogenesis. This is about the role of the gonadotropin releasing hormone in the process of the production of formation of the spermatozoa.